Learning guitar can seem like a chore, especially if you're considering picking it up later in life. Many of us think that guitar is an instrument for the young, but I'm here to tell you that's simply not true. It's never too late to start learning, and I'm excited to explore this topic further with you. One of the biggest myths about learning guitar at an older age is that your brain is incapable of adapting to new information. This simply isn't true. While it is true that children and teenagers tend to pick up new skills more quickly, adults have the advantage of being more focused and dedicated. Another fear is that guitar is just too difficult, and that it's an instrument only for those with a natural talent. But the truth is, like any skill, guitar can be learned with patience and practice. Many people also worry that they'll look silly or feel embarrassed playing an instrument as an adult. I think this is a valid concern, but it's one that holds us back from pursuing our passions. What's more important, looking cool or enjoying the process of learning something new? I think we can all agree that the latter is much more fulfilling. And let's not forget about the physical benefits of playing guitar. It can be a great way to improve hand-eye coordination and even reduce stress. So, how can you get started with learning guitar? There are plenty of online resources available, from video tutorials to apps that help you learn chords and strumming patterns. You can also look into community classes in your area where you can meet other people who share your interest in music. And if you're feeling self-motivated, you can try teaching yourself with a guitar method book or online tutorials. There are countless stories of people who started learning guitar in their 30s, 40s, even their 50s and beyond, and went on to become proficient players. So guess what? Join the club, the Guitar Players Club. Take, for example, the story of a man who started learning guitar at the age of 60. He had always loved music, but never had the time to pursue it when he was younger. With the help of online tutorials and a practice routine, he was able to learn his favorite songs and even start writing his own music. What's remarkable about his story is the impact that learning guitar had on his life. He reported feeling more confident, more connected to his community, and more fulfilled. Another example is a woman who started learning guitar in her 40s. She had always been fascinated by the instrument, but never thought she was talented enough to play it. With the help of a guitar teacher, she was able to overcome her fears and learn to play. She now plays in a local band and loves every minute of it. These stories show us that it's never too late to start learning guitar, and that the benefits can be life-changing. The main takeaway here is that age should not be a barrier to learning guitar. Whether you are 18 or 80, it's never too late to pick up this incredible instrument and start enjoying the many benefits it has to offer. So, if you've been thinking about learning guitar, I encourage you to take the leap and go for it. If you've had any experiences with learning guitar, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're just starting out, be sure to check out my other videos on tips for beginners. I think you'll find it really helpful. And remember, if you need more accountability, community, creative direction, and instruction, join the club, the Guitar Players Club.